Hey guys, welcome to unboxing of, let's start them in order of when I ordered them. How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Dr. Zeus, Jim Carrey, 15th anniversary edition remastered, you get a digital copy. It's got a nice white spine, I love white spines. Not because I'm racist or anything, because I know that's going to get twisted. It's because of the pure fact that it just looks nice with the green and the red. And the black, it doesn't look nice with coloured spines. Where it comes to stuff like red and green on the spine, I love red and green on white rather than red and green on black or an orange or red or a bloody purple spine. Look, snow thing on this. This literally just got released on Blu-ray for the UK. There's the front. There's no underside back. Okay, that I will try. Yeah, we'll try that before I upload this video, hopefully. Yeah, bye bye guys.